In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set event setting in Sendgrid. This setting area helps you control which email events you want Sendgrid to track and how you want those events delivered. If you are working with delivery reports, engagement signals, or other email-related event data, configuring these event settings is an important step. To begin, open your Sendgrid dashboard and look for the Settings area. The first thing you will do is click Settings. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section of the dashboard, because the layout can look different depending on your view or workspace. Once you click Settings, the page should reveal mail-related configuration options and more detailed controls. Next, you will click Mail Settings. This is where Sendgrid groups options related to email handling and email event configuration. After you click Mail Settings, you should see a list or panel of categories for mail functionality. This is the area we need because event settings are typically managed under mail configuration. Now that you are in the right section, select the event setting you want to configure. Look for the specific event setting name that matches what you are trying to manage. For example, you may see different categories for various event types. Choose the one you actually need to turn on or turn off. Selecting the correct event setting matters, because the options you see next will apply only to the setting you have selected. With the correct event setting selected, it is time to turn the setting on or off. Find the toggle or switch next to the event setting. Move it to on if you want Sendgrid to capture and process that event data. Move it to off if you do not want that event type to be processed or sent. Take a brief moment to confirm the toggle state is exactly what you intend, because changes here can affect what data your system receives. After you set it to on or off, you will configure the available options. This step is where you decide how the event setting behaves. The page may show several fields or choices depending on the event type you selected. Read through each option carefully and make sure each one aligns with your goal for tracking or delivery. If there are drop-downs, selection menus, or configurable parameters, use the values that match your intended behavior. As you configure the available options, keep an eye out for anything that might have default values. Defaults can be helpful, but sometimes the correct configuration requires updating a specific field. If the screen provides informational text, use it to understand what each option does. This will help you avoid saving a configuration that does not behave the way you expect. Once you are satisfied with the options you changed, you will click Save. This action confirms the configuration changes in Sendgrid. Before you click Save, take one quick moment to scan the settings again. Ensure the toggle is still in the correct state and that all fields you changed contain the values you want. After you click Save, the page should confirm the update or return you to a view that reflects the new settings. At that point, your event configuration is applied and ready to use. If you do not see an immediate confirmation message, you can still verify by looking at the state shown in the settings screen. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.